And hello YouTube, and this is Blader Zio. And today we are going to be unboxing B36 Beyblade Burst Rising Ragnaruk Gyro Revolve. Here's back of the stats of the box. And yes, this is by Dakara Tony. So without further ado, let's unbox this guy. So, here we go. Here's the stickers. Looks pretty simple. Okay, so now we'll go on to the close-up. Okay, here's the close-up. So we'll start with the layer Ragnarok. Now, looks pretty cool, kind of like a flame design. As you can see there. Here's the bottom. Here's the jagged parts for the burst system, the teeth. And by the look of it, looks pretty, it still looks flimsy though. I don't like that. Kind of afraid to spin it. As you can see there. But it looks cool. I have to give it that though. Nice face right there. Very awesome. Then we go on to the weight disc, which is gyro. Very cool design, I must say. Sweet. Then we go on to Revolve. This one is actually very similar. It reminds me of Soul Blaze's tip. Forgot the name of it, but as you can see here, the inside does not spin, but the outside does. Very unique. Cool. So there we go. So now we'll go on to the blade all finished. Here we go. That looks pretty cool. I like the flames on that puppy. Sweet. And here's the bottom. Love that revolver. Sweet driver. Okay, and we're back. So, we're going to be doing a test spin here. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. There we go. Now we'll go on to a test battle. And here we go. It'll be Spriggan versus Ragnarok. 3, 2, 1. Well, Ragnarok just bursted suddenly. Let's try that again. 3, 2, 1. And Spriggan wins. So, doesn't look like Ragnarok's that good for defense. It burst pretty easy there. And there you go. So, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing of Rising Ragnarok. And unfortunately, Ragnarok was not that very good for its lair. It pretty much burst against Spriggan. It also feels loose, and it's really just flimsy at the layer. So the main part you would buy this set for is the revolver, this free spinning tip. So there you go. So hope you guys enjoyed that, and yeah, please leave a comment in the comment section. Feel free to like this video, And yeah, this is Blader Zio signing out, and I'll see you later.